Hey guys, my name is Meir Mayara. Welcome to my channel. If you do like this video, please consider like and subscribe. So today I want to show you guys a new device that I received from the company called Carlinkit. They have sent me multiple Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless adapter to the car. However, this time around, they did send me this interesting device for review. So this is an Apple CarPlay and compatible with Android Auto wireless adapter built in with a dash cam all-in-one device. So I'm actually really curious about this product. It's very interesting. As you can see in the box, it does state that it supports Android 9. It has 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of ROM. It is supportive of Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 4G, GPS, and it is a 1080p camera. It's not a 4K camera, it's a 1080p, which is a little bit disappointing, but that being said, you know, I'm still good with a 1080p camera. It has a Qualcomm SDM450 ARM Cortex octa-core 64-bit CPU. The power source is a 5-volt 3.0 amp. So it is going to be supported by any car USB that already have Android Auto or CarPlay supported infotainment system. It does support dual Wi-Fi band 2.4 and 5 gig Wi-Fi, which is fairly impressive. Usually those devices only support 2.4, so it's nice to see that they finally support dual band. Supported car, any infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay or Android Auto via USB. And it's supportive of iPhone 6 and above with an iOS 10 Plus and above, or Android phone with Android system 10.0 and above. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. So inside you can find obviously the camera. I'll put it aside for now and we'll come back to it. And this is the accessories. Let's see what they have inside. So they provide USB-C to USB-A adapter. They provide a long 90-degree angled USB-C to USB-A. I'm guesstimating the adapter is for cars that only have USB-C in the car. So you'll plug this into this and then it goes to the car. The cable is long enough to be tucked away in the car for proper installation and wire-free installation, so you most likely will hide it on the side panel of the car. And they do provide a tool for the installation. This is the tool that you would use to remove the trim in the car and then install and hide the cable. I'll put that aside. Let's take a look at the camera itself. So this is the camera. This is the dash cam. Got a CMO camera full HD with a 148 degree field of view, which is fairly good. It is a plastic cover, not aluminum. It got the USB-C, the micro SD, and the SIM card. I've pre-installed a micro SD just for testing purposes, which I will show you. So it goes right in here. And here you have the film cover to remove and to attach it to the car, so it'll be attached as so. And the camera itself can be angled up or down. Again, this is plastic cover. It has some ventilation here for heat. On the website, and I will show you guys the website real quick. So this is actually the Amazon link where the company have a current coupon of 99 bucks. It's currently $2.99, but with a 99 bucks it will make it $1.99. And here's everything that it's supportive of. So on Amazon and on Carlinkit website, they do provide all the details of and instructions, videos, etc., etc. Nothing too fancy here, just a regular information for any type of dash cam. In particular to this device that is supportive of 1080p and all the bells and whistles that you would expect. I was worried about the heat or cold, but according to the manual, it does state that it supports extreme heat and extreme cold. So next thing, I will go and install it in a car and we'll see how it operates. Hey guys, so I'm in my car and I connected it to my car USB. In my car I have a USB that I custom built right here and connected it with a cable, and the dash cam is connected, and immediately on my infotainment system I see this Apple CarPlay. I'm gonna press on that and it takes me to the device interface. So connection wise it was extremely simplistic, just plug in the USB and done, nothing more than that. What I have done is I went through settings and went to network and Wi-Fi, and then I tethered to my phone so I can give it Wi-Fi. So let's go through the settings and see what this device have to offer. So click on settings and hopefully you guys can see it. Let me raise the brightness. Okay, so you have network and internet, everything that is expected to see, Wi-Fi, mobile network, etc. If I go to mobile network, you can see that this device have dual SIM slots, so SIM slot 1 and 2. I currently don't have a SIM card connected, so obviously nothing comes up. I can actually hotspot from this device to other device. If, for an example, I had a SIM card and I would want to provide a mobile network. If I go through advanced, airplane mode, private DNS, etc. Let's go back. Connected devices via Bluetooth. I can pair my phone or I can pair my car audio, should I choose to. If I go to apps and notifications, here are all the pre-built in apps. Let's go see what they have pre-built. So everything that you would have expected from an Android system, Google Assist, their proprietary apps for connection, BT audio, phone, Chrome, etc. Let's go back. App permissions, very similar to any Android system. Nothing special here. Let's see what they have under special app access. So all the customization you would want. Let's go back. The AutoKit, I'm guesstimating that's their proprietary app on how to connect this device to the infotainment system. You can customize the voice assist, the boot up app. Let's see what happens if I click on voice assist. Yep, just as expected. I would choose assistant, etc. Versions, kernel versions, serial number, and more. Display. Okay. Nothing too special. Sound. Security and location. Accounts. Obviously it says no account found. Since this is based on an Android system, it would make absolute sense if I would log in into my Google account and then have all the services automatically available on this device, tied into my Google account with Google Account Sync. So Google Assist, Waze, and everything would work on that. If I go to System, let's take a quick look there. Let's see what they have. I can set up backup. Everything that you would have expected if you would connect this to your Google account. Android version is 9. Okay. Outside of settings, let's see what they have. So they have Google Maps, BT audio, phone. Click home will take me to my car infotainment system. Going back to this device. Messages, APK installer for side-loading apps. BT AutoKit is their proprietary app to make this interface work. Chrome, Play Store, Gallery, YouTube Music, Spotify, GPS test, ES File Explorer, Google Assistant, Netflix, Waze, and so on. Obviously, since this is an Android system by itself and it does support a SIM card or tether for Wi-Fi, internet, etc., you can go to Google Play Store and basically just install whatever APK you want. Obviously, if I'll go here, it will require me to sign in just as expected, but since I'm not signed into my Google account, it's not going to go through. But that being said, you can basically just set up your Google account and have everything supported. Let's take a look at what's the most interesting about this device. Basically, the view for the camera. So they do have load key here. You click on that and it will take you directly into the camera. So as you can see, this is the view. The camera is sitting right here. I'm gonna raise it up. So I'm in my garage, and let's take a look quickly at the latency. So let's see, left, right, up, down. So there's no noticeable latency. It actually functions very well. You can see it right here. And as mentioned, you can also move the lens itself. So up, down, and you have a couple buttons here. As you can see, it's currently recording. You can see recording here. I can basically stop the recording. I can start again the recording. I can take a quick snapshot here if I had a collision detection or loop recordings. I can go to settings, to the recordings and the captures. At this point, I will take my car outside of the garage and take a quick drive and see how it reacts in a driving scenario. See you soon. Hey guys, so I'm in my car. I just mounted it here on top of my M1 Escort dash cam. Here it is. So the first thing that I notice is that actually when you drive you can see it, which will make sense because this is basically an infotainment system supported wirelessly directly from the dash cam. So it's projecting to my car, so it's not locked into the car computer by itself, so it's not locking the video while in motion. So as you can see it, you can see it on your car stereo as you drive, and it's pretty cool. So I can show you guys the view, and there's no delay, so it's pretty good. Like you can see directly on the infotainment system and when I drive, so you can see that it's actually with no latency. I'm gonna pull over real quick. Okay, so it does support. Let's go back to the main applications. I do want to see the GPS coordinates. So I'm going to allow it access, and as you can see, it has a really good accuracy. So the reception for the GPS is really good here. It does have really strong signal, so everything seems to be in order. It is functioning really well, and of course Netflix won't work because there's no internet connection, but I do want to show you guys that it does work. Let's see, sensor box. Okay, so let's see what else they have here. Memory. Okay, so that's it guys. This is the device. This is how it looks like. I really like it. It's really good. It's really good, better device than having just a regular Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless adapter, especially with the function of an added dash cam. I really like it. If you tether to your phone, you can give it internet. So if you guys have Tasker on your Android device or similar on the Apple device to automatically turn on and off tether. You can give it internet, or you can actually give it a SIM card with a data plan, so you can have constant internet connected to this device. That being said, it works really well. I really like it. It's really cool. I enjoy it. I think I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna install it in my wife's car and tuck it into, with the edit tool, tuck the cable just like I did with the Escort, and make it a really nice, clean, wire-free installation. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please consider like and subscribe. If you do have any questions about the device, please post it in a comment and I will be sure to answer. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.